April 19th, 2020. Strong winds the last couple days, so I took in my sails. But I need to do all I can to inform my neighbors, because a lot of people aren't quite getting the idea. You see people going to the grocery store several times a day instead of once a week. You should go once a week at a certain time on a certain day so that we can contact, trace when some of your friends get infected. Plan it out. Don't go to the store every day, a couple times a day, send kids in to get candy and chips. Come on, people, it's not that hard to plan it out. You got extra time now. Grow a garden. Check on your neighbors. Fix up the house. Don't worry about it so much. Day Miles, Wisconsin president.